In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add frames to images in Canva. Adding frames is a quick way to make your designs look more polished and professional, and it only takes a few simple steps. I'll walk you through the entire process, and you can follow along on your own screen as we go. First, open your design in Canva. Once your design is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options like templates, elements, text, and more. To start adding a frame, click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps shapes, graphics, lines, and of course frames. After you click on Elements, you'll see a search bar and a variety of categories. Scroll down a little until you find the section labeled Frames. If you don't see it right away, you can also type Frames into the search bar at the top of the Elements panel. That will quickly bring up all the available frame styles. Now, click on Frames. Canva will show you a selection of different frame shapes and designs. You might see classic rectangles, circles, letters, numbers, and even more creative shapes. Take a moment to scroll through and find one that fits the style of your project. When you find a frame you like, simply click on it, and it will appear on your design canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners, and you can move it around until it's in the perfect spot. Once your frame is in place, it's time to add your image. To do that, go back to the menu on the left and click on Uploads. This is where you can bring in your own photos from your computer or device. If your image is not uploaded yet, click on the Upload button, select your photo from your files, and wait for it to finish uploading. When your image appears in the Uploads panel, you're ready for the final step. Click on the photo, hold down your mouse, and drag it over to the frame on your design. When you hover over the frame, you'll see the image snap into place inside the shape. Release the mouse button, and your image will automatically be cropped to fit the frame. From here, you can double-click the image inside the frame to adjust its position, making sure the most important part of your photo is visible. And that's all you need to know to add frames to images in Canva.